When I was at the FDA, I went through a number of these. It's not that uncommon, even though people talk about it like it's the next the next shutdown of the world. And the FDA space and customs, which we'll talk about primarily, but this is true for USDA too. FDA is running at about 86% capacity, so it's actually largely running. And if you think of it, it's because so much of what FDA does is driven by user fees. Things like FDA approvals for drugs, for medical devices, that's all paid for by industry. So it's not coming out of the general fund. It doesn't come out of appropriations. That money is actually paid by companies when they make application for approvals. And so FDA has a lot of those people that are still working full time. The compliance functions of those activities are also operating, and that's the interface with the import enforcement or even domestic enforcement. So the compliance people are working at the FDA for most part. On the import side, imports has always been essential with respect to the FDA activity, and that makes sense given the fact that such a significant portion of FDA's inventory